Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news global eyes are on how China will manage itself out of its economic funk. First, a reminder though, that as a public holiday in the US, President's Day, and financial markets are closed there. To the north, Canada said its producer prices fell marginally in January from December, as expected, and they are now 2.9% lower than a year ago. This is the fourth consecutive month of falls there. Across the Pacific, Japanese machinery orders bounced back in December after a terrible November. They came in better than expected, but nowhere near enough to make up for that November fall. Later today, Chinese central bank will reset its loan prime rates. They're widely expected to cut them both to support their economy that seems to be misfiring. The cuts won't be large though, probably 15 basis points for both the 1-year and 5-year rates. Premier Li is urging officials to do everything they can to support the Chinese economy and boost confidence. Rivals are becoming concerned that China will dump production resulting from stimulus boosts on world markets. The US has already issued a warning to China on this. In Europe, more evidence inflation is proving quite sticky in the lower ranges, just as it is here. The last mile is tough for everyone. Sweden says its rate rose to 5.4% in January from 4.4% in December. Not exactly what they want or need. The rise was as expected, but not by this much. This sort of backsliding affects inflation expectations, a crucial central bank metric. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 4.33% and up 5 basis points from this time yesterday. The price of gold will start today up another $3 from yesterday at $2,016 an ounce. Oil prices, though, are still just over $78.50 a barrel in the US, while the international price is still just on $82.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at just on 61.4 US cents and up 20 basis points overnight. Against the Aussie, we're also marginally firmer at 94 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're firmer at 57.1 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 70.9 and up 20 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.